Surprise, guys. Right now, you can see her BTC is rising up. You can see her 8.39% in last 24 hour. Absolutely 55. We will touch, guys, 77. Okay, 77. Sorry, 57,000. And definitely quick crash. But absolutely, for scalper, it is a really crazy opportunity. Right now, what we will need to do, my brothers, can take a short position or long position, and a future trader, especially I give you signals to future traders. Okay, so if you are a future trader, must join my Telegram group. Also, link is in the description. Join, you will print money like machine, because you will be get daily 10 to 15 signals. So it was begun a crazy. Okay, so if we will look here, my brothers, so 57,000 BTC will touch now just in 1 week, my brother. And again, quick crash now return. So as you can see here, I will show you, my brother. You can see here. So right now it was, my brothers, again come down to 55.87. Definitely very quick moment. And if we look out the volume and market cap, so right now, in last video I was told you two possibilities to BTC will touch out, my brother, 60,000, but it was not reach out 60,000. And I was expected right now it will be again, because the volume, if we look, very much strong. And remember, when volume was increasing, market cap must increasing. So that's time absolutely 8% was the market cap. Simple, when market cap increasing, price was same move with market cap. So right now 8.45% the market cap and 8.45% the price was increasing. So both are crazy, my brother. And I strongly recommend you, the big news is are coming, my brothers, about BTC and all exchanges, my brothers. It was rising up, and all exchanges liquidity, my brothers, much high, my brother, because people say BTC was crashing down again to 45,000, but not happen. Finally we will win. And absolutely, you can see here 69,000, that means 70,000 was by the most highest, and I am 100% sure it will be easily reach out to this position. Take action, my brothers, on long side, and absolutely for a long time. And I hope you will be make a crazy profit. Thanks for watching. See you next time.